Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see the passing marks, minimum passing marks for MPC. So to pass TS Inter exams in 2026, students must score at least 35% mark in each subject and in aggregate means overall percentage. It means 35 marks out of 100 in each subject paper to be declared pass. For other groups also, other streams, CEC, MEC, BIPC, 35% is only the passing mark for every subject also and overall. Now let us see subject wise TS Inter pass marks for MPC. In MPC, the main subjects are maths, physics, chemistry. So maths paper is for 75 marks and minimum passing marks are 26. Physics 60 mark paper is there, so 21 marks are passing. Chemistry 60 marks are there, so 21 marks are passing. For example, if MPC total marks are 1000 for first year and second year, including languages and optional subjects, then you must achieve at least 350 marks in total to clear the board exam. In English, total marks are 100 including practicals, so minimum passing marks are 35, that is 28 for theory paper and 7 marks for practical. For second language, paper is for 100 marks, passing marks are 35. Mathematics 75 marks, so 26 is passing. Physics 60 marks, so 21 is passing. Chemistry 60 marks, so 21 is passing. So over here the total marks for MPC first year would be 470 because maths 1A and 1B both are there. So for all the subjects together, the overall percentage you need to pass is 164.5. So assume it to be more than 164 marks, that is at least 165 you need. Now let us see the grades. If you get 75% and above, then you will get A grade. If it is 60 to 75%, then it is B grade. If it is 50 to 60%, it is C grade. If it is 35 to 50%, it is D grade, and below 35 means fail. So one point to be noted here students is that to get a seat in NITs or IITs, you need a minimum of 75%, that is 65% for SC and ST, marks in the 12th board exam, which applies specifically for your second year intermediate performance. Now some colleges may look at the combined percentage of first year and second year, but for JEE main eligibility, it is typically the second year score that matters.